Introducing the QuiK-LOK Attachment System, a versatile outdoor power equipment system featuring multiple attachments, powered by a single M18 fuel power head. With the QuiK-LOK Attachment System, you have the capability to switch between multiple attachments and complete a wide range of applications. Available attachments include string trimmer, edger, hedge trimmer, hole saw, and 3-foot attachment extension. Enter the QuiK-LOK Attachment System by purchasing either the string trimmer with QuiK-LOK or pole saw with QuiK-LOK. Once installed in the system, you can add on the attachments you need when you need them. The QuiK-LOK Coupler offers tool-free attachment changes, allowing you to switch from one task to the next. The QuiK-LOK Attachment System eliminates the need to purchase a dedicated tool for each outdoor task, lowering your cost of ownership.
The attachments that go on the power head, it makes it a real versatile product. It's a lot quicker, it's a lot more efficient, and reduces cost on equipment overall.
When you're on a job site and you have one power head and multiple attachments to go in it, the efficiency level just goes through the roof. The QuiK-LOK system is definitely heavy duty and commercial grade.
The QuiK-LOK Attachment System is powered by M18 Fuel, the industry's best performing tools, and is part of the M18 system of over 175 plus tools.